a couple of you hit me up about how my camera is mounted to my helmet. Oh no! Number 5 gone. Yes, people, LDN Bikes here, coming back at you. This is just a real quick one. I had a few of you guys hit me up. Thank you for getting into the comments, letting me know what you want to know more about, etc. A couple of you hit me up about how my camera is mounted to my helmet. I did a tutorial probably a couple of years ago now when I had the GoPro. I've obviously changed that setup, so we've now got it mounted a completely different way. So I'm just going to ride out, pull up, and show you exactly how I now mount the camera to my helmet, so you can see just how I've got my setup with the camera, where the mic is situated, etc. It's quite an easy setup. As I said, it's a lot easier with the drift. The setup is so much more simple. They've got their own, they know what they're doing when it comes to motovlogging and how people like the setup. So you literally get the camera, you get your adapters, the mic and the mic adapter as well, and it makes things so much more easier for yeah, so it's been a while, I had to. It makes it so much easier. You literally just you buy 2 components, the camera and then the mic, which comes separately, and then you're good to go. So I'll pull up and show you how it's set up. But as I said, with the GoPro, it was such a more complicated setup because you had to get the GoPro. Now you could use the mounts that come with it, which is fine, to stick the GoPro on, but where I wanted it situated at the time just wasn't suiting me, so I used to use a wrist strap and tie that around the chin guard mount of my helmet. Then I had to get an adapter. Also I had to get a skeleton body with the side cut out so I could plug the mic adapter in, and by the time I'd finish it, I was just like, yeah, this is not for me, because also the sound quality was terrible. As you know, I had some great videos, but you just couldn't hear me, which really frustrated me as well. So yeah, I've changed over completely and now quite happy with the new setup. So here we go.
Yeah, so those of you that were asking, as you can see, this is where the drift is mounted directly on top of the helmet, and as you can see, so let's move around here. It's plugged in, and then I've wired it in straight down into the rear vent, and it just sits in there nicely. So if I haven't got my camera on, then what I'll normally do is just unplug that and then just slot it in there so it's not sort of jumping around and bouncing about. It fits snug in there once the camera comes out. So just pull that out there, and then yeah, as I said, just a little mount there where it just slits into, and then it's just sort of the helmet is just back to normal. So I'll just slot that back in, and then as you can see, it's wired. Now it's just free, sort of the wire's just moving free. It's not plugged in or sort of stuck down with anything in particular. And then it just sort of goes directly under the lining. So I pulled out the lining, slotted it in, and then the mic just sits nice and snug just there, right next to my chin or jaw, whatever. And yeah, that's that. So nice and easy. As I said, when you're getting the helmet, just a few things that you need just to keep the setup nice and simple. and it sits on top of my baby just like that. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and then hit me up if you've got any questions, comments that you want me to sort of touch base on the next video. But until then, stay safe. Peace.